Let me show you how to use the full time scale uh, time year month 3 2 like this. So which is the you can see this one is actually ym by format, which is y for the year, m for the 2 digit of the month, b for the abbreviation of the month with the 3 characters, and then the other y for the years. Okay, so the first thing is I will share with you why we need to use this one instead of this one. This one look very good, all right? And then in some accounting book, you can see they use the final part of this format. It's not the full two part of this one. So I will explain in a minute. So the reason why is because of this. So if we perform the pivot thing, so this is the flat file or the transactional file for the monthly. And then if you do use any pivoting tool like Excel or Power BI and Outlook, and then we can have this table. So this one is actually okay. Let me show you the sorting version, so it will be easier to look at. And this one is actually the monthly data. So monthly will be on top here. By market and then by a different account. So each market you can see several accounts in here. This one is quite accounting friendly already, except for the one in front here. A little bit annoying in front. And in Outreach and in Power BI, actually we have the tool to just take the last five of the column name, and then we have this thing, which is exactly in the accounting books, right? Okay. So this is why so we want to do the full thing here, because the first thing is after this, and then the pivoting to sort it for us already. So this one April, May, June, July, and then all the way to the end of Jan and February and March 25. So meaning that the other columns in here is will be sorted. If you use the name like April, May, June, and July, it will sort the April and August next to each other because it is AA. And then B, there's no B, but in there's no B and C, but D will be December, and then E there's no E. F will be February. So it was sort by A B C D E F, and then December, August, April, December, and then February will be next to each other, which is not what we want. So we have to use these numbers in front first, and then we rename the table, rename the columns after the monthly column, and then we have this accounting friendly. So that's why we need the full. Okay, so again, we need to use a full notation with the Y M B Y numbers in here. So that's the first part. The second part is assuming that someone give you the accounting number like this. Let me show you the list of name like this. Uh, assuming that someone give you the name, the month name like this, how can you get back to the YMBY format that we need? So I will show you the transformation formula for line in the next column here, and then you will have the answer. Okay, I will drag the formula down in here, and then I will change this one to time year month 3 2, which is like this. Date time format of the time year month, and then I will do the y percentage y per month underscore per b per y. Okay, so that's the whole thing is like this. And then after I run this formula, I will have the like for like comparison like this. So basically, this is the normal Outreach format, or this is the year month date format, and this is the our YMBY format that we need to use in order to pivot. So all the pivoting tool will work in the same way. So Excel actually Excel, if you format the column name a little bit, it can work nicely with the date. But Power BI and then uh, the other two, it doesn't. It will give August and April next to each other, and this is not what we want. Okay. So the next one would be if someone give you the by format. Okay, so let me show you the by format in quickly in from this view. Actually, in this view, there's no by format, but assuming that someone give you the time accounting like this, that time format. Okay, let me quickly uh, show you the by format. Assuming that someone actually give you this one, give you the accounting time like this, like this. So basically, the month name will be in the 3 characters, and the last 2 digits will be the year name, the year number. Okay, so the question is, how can we get this one, turn this one into the YMBY format again? So in our trick, there is a trick for that. I will show you the trick in here. Uh, so the first thing is to turn this accounting format into the year Monday format. Okay, so let me time use this one, time year Monday format, which is the date time from this time pass. You use a pass function to pass the accounting time into with the B and then the Y format. It will give you back the year mandate. Okay, let us see. So this one will be February of 25. So in here you see 2025 Feb and then 1. Same thing, October 23 will be the 2023 10 and then 1. Okay, so you know that Outlook can convert the accounting time into the year Monday time. So when you have the Monday type already, then you just add another formula. This is the same thing. We just copy this formula to here, and then we turn this one into time year month 32, which is our full time. Mm. So this one is mm, the last step we want to compute, and I will explain how the whole thing work in here. So the first thing is this value will be converted into this value, and then this value again one more time will be converted into this value. So actually they are the same thing, but this one is at the put in the end, and then this it will be added the y m part in front in order for the sorting. So if you see this one is not sorted, right? So it's not in a good order. If you sort, okay, let me show you how I sort by the first column, which is the accounting column, and then the last column, and then see how this thing works. Okay, I compare like for like. Okay, so this is a sorting by the accounting time, and another one I will copy this one here. I will copy the whole thing here, down here, and then I connect this one into the same source to compare like for like, and then you can see the difference. Okay, so here I will sort by the second one and then run it. So after running, you can see if I sort by this time account here, you can see April, all the April and all the August will be next to each other, and then December will be after, and then February will be, because this is A and this is D and then this is F. So January will be J, and then will be next to each other, which is not what you want. Now, if you go to here, you can see April, May, June, July, August, September, October. And you can see here, after December 22 will be the Jan 23. and then so on. So after December 23 will be Jan 24 until the end. Okay, so after December 22, also 24 will be 25 as well. Yeah, so this is why we have to use this kind of time, which is very long actually, but then which is also very friendly in the sense that it do both purposes. The first one is like accounting friendly, so the end of this string will be the end of this column will be the accounting friendly, but the fun one will be the number, and it will give you the sorting or the displaying order in the calendar. So it will be also accounting friendly, but it will give you the order to compare like for like from month to month. Okay.